Yun guys, nandito na tayo sa may bungad ng Inimalog. Papasok ng Inimalog. Dito ang ating wifey. Hinihintay pa natin si baby boy. Yan na si baby boy. Hello. Yan na si baby boy. Ang fat bike. Ayan no. Kaway-kaway naman dyan. Ayan no. So tara guys. Ayan na guys. At tayo morning na kasi wala pa yung mga taga-puluhan na mga kasama natin. Wala, Miss FG, Miss Floyd, nasaan na kayo? Ito ang ating wifey. Guys, hello. Yun yung kasama natin. Titibay yung mga yan.
Just make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, get your own bread. Heart full of equity or an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Shout out to your mom and dad for making you. Staying in the kitchen, they did a great job raising you. When I create my muse, the kind of smile that makes the news. Can't nobody throw shade on your name in these streets. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, cut your own bread. Heart full of equity or an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions.
No pretending, you don't need mentions. Get out on same goals, they don't wanna be independent. Tell them to mind your business, we in our feelings. It's 50% attention, we need commitment. We gotta both admit it. It's funny, we both listen. It's a blessing, cause we both get it. You the best thing, and I don't need a witness. I'ma find me a ring and pray it's perfect fit. It's perfect.
Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. So just make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. I will. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, cut your own bread. Heart full of equity or an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. That's all I plan to do.
wifey guys. Naka-giant na bike. Pa natin yung mga kasama natin, yung mga taga-buluhan, pero wala pa sila hanggang ngayon. Usapan 5:30. Miss Floyd, saan ka na? At yung mga kasama mo taga dyan sa mga buluhan, bakit wala pa kayo? Akyat na tayo guys. Wala pa sila, sunod na sila dun sa mitad. Mabangis ng akyatan na ko. Nauna si baby ko at ang ating wifey. Yun o. Pangatlong akyatan ni wifey natin dito sa Maing Malog. Kaya sanay na yan. Yan o, si baby boy. Ang hippie boy ng mga aldhan. Bikers Club. Yun o. Baby boy. Pagkat na yan guys oh. Ito oh, pagkat na to. Baby boy at saka yung isang kasama natin nasa likod sila. You know. Hey, padyak lang ng padyak kasi pataas na to. Yan o. Yun o. Mag-ship ka na wifey kasi pataas na yan. Yun o.
It's been 24 hours, I need more hours with you. It's between us. And now it's all good, babe.
So guys,
But I
pataas
felt
to,
good,
pataas.
babe. But let me close.
Susunod nito, medyo palusong.
Cause girls like you
Downhill tayo.
go around with guys
Tap
like
lang.
me till sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah,
Sanay na
yeah.
yung
Girls
ating
like
wife, eh.
you
Ilang
love
weeks
fun,
na yan.
yeah. Me do what I want when I
Akyat
come
rito sa
through.
may
I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl.
Mag-hip ka ng kambyo.
I spent last night on the last flight to you.
Patigasin mo.
I took a whole day up, trying to get way up. Ooh.
Ito guys, ito na yung talagang papasok ng Hinmalog yan, o yung kantong yan. Sa may dikit. Bumhung. Yan o.
Now it's all good,
Yan na po guys. Ito talaga yung papasok ng Hinmalog. Mag-ship ka ulit.
These girls like you roll around with guys like me till sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls
mabangis na,
like
guys.
you, love fun, and yeah, me
Akyat
too.
na.
I want when I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Na to.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Guys.
I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah.
Akyat.
I need a
Batong akyatan guys.
Maybe it's 6:45. Maybe I'm barely alive. Maybe you're taking my shit for the last time. Yeah. Maybe I know that I'm drunk. Maybe I know you're the one. Maybe I'm thinking it's better if you drive.
Oh, 'cause girls like you run around with guys like me till sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah.
Not too long ago, I was dancing for dollars. No, it's really real if I let you be my mama. You don't want a girl like me, I'm too crazy. But every other girl you meet is too gazy. I'm sure them other girls were nice enough, but you need someone to spice it up. So who you gonna call? Cardi, Cardi. Come and rev it up like a Harley, Harley. Why is the best crew always forbidden? I'm coming to you now doing 20 over the limit. The red light, stop. I don't play when it comes to my heart, let's get it though. I don't really want a white horse in a carriage. I'm thinking more white horses and carriage. I need you right here, cause every time you fall, I play with this kitty like you play with your guitar.
'Cause girls like you run around with guys like me till sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like
Grabe
you
nga
love
akyatan
fun,
ito
yeah.
guys.
Do what I want when I come
Naubusan
through.
ka ng
I need
hininga.
a girl like you,
Woo!
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I need a girl.
Yun guys, hinahatag na niya ang kanyang bike. Yun no, pangatlong akyat. Yun no, hinga muna tayo bago tayo punta ng bikers den. Yun no, hininga lang ating wifey. Yun no, madugo yan no. Ano, nagpapahinga muna ang ating bikers. Yun o, ito si Bibi Boy, ang bikers ng mga Aldan. Ang tibay nito guys o, mapa-running, mapa-biking, mapa-swimming. Triathlon.
Triathlon na si Baby Boy.
Triathlon yan o. Ito naman ang ating wifey, pangatlo na niyang akyat dito sa may Hinmalog. Yan o.
Baka makabilo.
Pero no, meron. Kasi invite ko siya kasi nang
Yan yung mga ibang bikers guys, nagpapahinga muna kasi madugong akyatan. Yun no. Time check is 6:42 in the morning. On Saturday morning guys. Ayun, kita-kits ulit tayo dun sa may bikers din guys. Yun guys, oh, ang ating wifey. Yun no. Yun no. Pangatlong akyat na dito sa may bikers din. Kaya mo doon, may tabi natin. Yun no. Woo! Yan. Yun no. Ito guys, oh.
Labay da, malulugan kami. Hindi ah. Kaya mo kami ta. Sarang isang kartos tan.
Gawad.
Pipita mo kan kaliyan. Si Karadiyan. Apa man? Isang kartos mo na siya. Bike.
Ayan guys, pababa na tayo ng bikers din. Yun no. Ang kasama natin pero marami pa siyang pang umaakyat. Yun no. May bikers din. Sabihin mo muna na sila. So, sunod na tayo. Sunod na kami. Kasi mag-aalmusal pa kami ng ating wifey, guys. Tignan muna natin sila Miss FD ng konti. Hindi natin maantay. Alis na tayo. Yun no. Antayin lang natin sila. Kung maantay natin, tuloy tayo sa may taas. Pero kung hindi natin maantay, alis na tayo guys. Yun no. Yun guys. Kape muna tayo. Dito kami malapit kami tayo din. Ito ang mga kape natin guys. So, Coffee Blanca. Coffee ko Blanca. Dito pa yung ating wifi ng coffee. The time check is 7:21 in the morning. Wala pa silang Miss FG. Yun no. Ito yung kapian dito. Tabi lang ng bikers din. Kung gusto nyo, pag nakapunta kayo rito, pwede kayo magkape rito. Malapit lang sa bikers din. Yan yung bikers din. Yun o, marami pang umaakyat guys. So, ito yung mga bike natin. Yun o. Parada muna natin kasi break time muna tayo. At mag-almusal muna. Magkape. Yun o, ang ating wifi. Iba muna siya ng kape. Ang ating wifi magtitimpla ng kape. Sayang ka Melodia, wala ka Miss Melodia. Ang gandang magkape rito. Mamimit mo to Miss Melodia. Nauna na sila Baby Boy kasi yung isang kasama niya magdi-deliver pa daw sila ng bigas sa may bayan, sa may mga aldan. Kaya nauna na sila, tayo hintay muna natin sila Miss FG kung may hintay natin. Kung hindi, papaana rin tayo kasi mayroon pa tayong gagawin, mag-shooting. Kaya hintay muna natin kung mahantay natin. Kung hindi, uwi na tayo. Yun lang. Ano masasabi mo sa pangatlong akyat mo dito sa may bikers din?
Dati pa rin. Mahina pa rin sa akyatan.
Yun no.
Sa patag, kaya.
So, kape muna tayo guys.
Coffee muna tayo.
Yun no. Ang ating wifey. At ito ang husband with wifey. Yun no. Yan guys, pababa na tayo. Yung bikers din. Tapos na tayo magkape. At mag-almusal. Kaya yun, bababa na tayo guys. Yun no. Mauna na yung ating wifi. Pababa. Burawal ka rin, burawal. Ating wifi. Yan o. Tapos na tayo sa may bikers din. Kaya pababa na tayo guys. Yung ating wifi guys o. Pababa to, downhill. Yun o. Yan yung wifi natin. Yan o. Downhill to guys. Downhill. Yun o. Yun o. Yun guys o. Nakapagod natin. Yun o. Sila Miss FG. Sila sa daan. Yan si Baba. Baba Luko.
Baba!
Yan o.
Say hi to Baba. Baba, ikaw pa silang iiyakin ni ikaw. Sitak pa, Baba.
Binata na yan.
Pinaka na si Baba, tangkad na. Kung subanding yung dalas.
Sikop kini. Oo.
Hindi makabal. Dala ng bakit. May nang hindi mo kami lawa. May nang first time ko. Sila pa man naman sa ako. Naman. Ang balat ko may managako. Pero hindi ko. Tanong. Talamin mo ko.
Sige, Sharon. Sige. Baba. Yun o, yung mga kasama nating mga taga-bunuan. Akit pa lang sila, pababa na tayo. Yan guys. Umadan na tayo. Ito yung golden success guys. Tara.
You don't want a girl like me, I'm too crazy. For every other girl you meet is too gay. I'm sure them other girls were nice enough, but you need someone to spice it up. So when you gonna call Cardi, Cardi, come and it up like a Harley, Harley. I am the best crew, always forbidden. I'm coming to you now, do 20 over the limit. The red light, stop. I don't play when it comes to my heart, let's get it though. I don't really want to wait for it to cat. I think you want white horse as a cat. I know you right here, cause anytime you fall, I pay with this kitty like you pay with your guitar.
Ayan, nandito na tayo sa may salay guys. Yun o, salay na po. Oh. Sa salay. naman.